G'day everybody! Sorry I have been gone for a couple of weeks or months. Okay, I've just been busy with life. I just say that. Okay? I'm just doing another cooking video. But this time, I'm taking something from a game. Okay? If you heard about or played Fallout, you'll notice there are drinks called Nuka-Cola. Nuka-Cola drinks. Okay? And I've been making them. Okay? First you have to have 2 cups of water. Okay? You just grab the cup, go to your sink, and get 2 cups. You pour the drinks in, like so, and also the sugar. Okay? You must have 3 cups of sugar, but don't worry, I already got my cup, I already got my 3 cups of sugar. You will notice that is a lot of sugar. Just saying, this is not near to Coke sugar. Okay, if you buy a cup, buy a soft drink and boil it, you will notice how much sugar is left over. That's the sugar that's in that can. Okay, this is a bottle. Okay, a simple bottle size. Okay, and add lemon, orange, and lime skins, not the juice just yet. No juice. Okay, don't worry, I already took the part to do it already. You throw it in, everything in, then grab a simple stick of cinnamon. A simple cinnamon stick, drop it in, and a cardamom pod. There you go. Oh yeah, the phone's be back. The phone's be. You just deal with the white. You just read it backwards. I think it's backwards. Okay. You drop 3 of the seeds in. 1, 2, 3. You drop 3 of the seeds in, and 1 star. Wait, sorry, not 1, 2. 1 and 2. Drop 2 stars in it. Grab a spoon, mix it around. Stick it on your oven, not in your oven, on your, I forgot the name. Put it right over here. Put it on medium. Put the lid on top. And every couple of minutes, stir it. Just keep stirring it. Wait, sorry, medium high, whisk it to the point the sugar has dissolved. Okay, remember we have 3 cups of sugar in it. Okay, it will take a while. But when that's busy cooking, let's see one of these seeds from this tastes likes. it has a weird texture with it. It's like one of the tastes like you want to spit it out, but you want to enjoy it with it. It has a weird taste like that. Oh yeah, and just now this ingredient that goes with it. And don't worry, I already done. Don't worry, I already done it. Done it. You have to make a sauce. Okay? The sauce is basically, the sauce has a half a cup of ketchup, 1/4 of a, what's that sauce called? This. And 1/4 of steak sauce, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. Okay? Let's see. I think I accidentally put a little bit too much sauce in. Now, I'm going to wait to the point that it's finished. I'll be coming back to you in a couple of minutes. After it's finished simmering for 10 minutes, after the sugar's dissolved, grab yourself a bucket, a simple bucket to cool down. Okay, it's still hot. Grab. Where is it? Ah, it is. Grab this and this. Okay. Not this just yet. Grab this. Put in your container. Grab it. And pull. Let me get in a better position. Yeah. And better tea down. And pull it down into it, like so. Okay. Clean the mess you accidentally made, in case. Yep. Oh yeah. Then, if you remember, we add the skin of lime, lemon, and orange. Okay. Please squeeze it down, and like squeeze the juice out of it. Add it into a cup, like so. So about 1/3, about 1/3 of all of them, and put it in. Okay. Okay. If when you do that, please mix it. the lid on the container tight and let it cool down, and this is your choice. This is your choice. You have a choice to add the brown sauce with it if you want. You have a choice to not do it. Okay? You cannot do it. It will still taste good. Good? Then I will come back to you when it's all blended out, and make sure when it's finished cooling down to add it in the airtight container. Airtight. Okay? Now I'll come back to you soon when it's hosting in our next video where I'll be presenting different types of ginger beer and how to present them and their rating skills. Okay? I'll probably show you other how to make nuka cola videos on different types of nuka cola. Why did I say ginger beer? Okay, I was about to say ginger beer. So, bye! See you later.